Just getting ready for our pre-departure test. Irfan is hand sanitizing.
Washing my hands.
And you need to use hand sanitizer too before we take the test. Hey guys, so welcome to our pre-departure test.
A couple of weeks ago we uploaded a vlog where we gave you a rundown of what tests you need to do if you go to a green list country. Now, thank you for watching that video, and we got a lot of positive comments, but one of the main things that we got back was about the pre-departure test. We mentioned in the video, the link above, that we ordered the test before we left and brought it on holiday with us, and via video call we'll do the test and get a pre-departure certificate to return to the UK. Well, this vlog will show you how we do that test.
A lot of comments to say, what is it that you actually do? So we're going to take you through this vlog now. We've got our call scheduled in the next 15 minutes. Make sure the hand sanitizer is clean before you actually take the test. Proof of identity, make sure you have a pen and paper to hand because you're going to have to write your time and date onto your test when you're on the video call. And also proof of identity, as we mentioned. So anything like a passport or your driving license would do. So you can show that on the video call. And as we mentioned on the previous vlog, take these on holiday with you. So we're now currently in our hotel room, 10 minutes to spare before we've got to take the test.
So I'm all set up, I've got the email open where we got a reminder before 1 hour to say here's your test. I even got a text message actually, which is really good.
Yeah.
I've got my laptop set up, I've got my antigen test, I've got a pen, the instructions, and I've got my phone set up as a timer, so you have to set it to 20 minutes, but we'll show you through that exactly what needs to be done. So we're all set, good to go.
So Irfan's going first. He can be my guinea pig.
So I've set my timer to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So I'll have that on the side here ready. I've got my email open with the link to the virtual room, so you can see they send a email an hour before. So I've got that ready. So what I'm going to do in a few minutes, once it's 10 to, click on that link and open the room.
Are you nervous, Irfan?
I don't know why, but I'm like getting a bit nervous now.
Yeah, because you've got, if you don't get a negative, you ain't going home.
Well, I'm stuck here for a couple of weeks.
You know what I mean? So this is like the new way of travel now, but I don't think it's as hard as it looks. It's
yeah,
going to be straightforward, very easy. Video call. We've got it in literally 1 minute. He's going to log in. So yeah. Good luck, Irfan. See you on the flip side.
See you on the flip side.
Again. Yeah, give it access to everything.
Yep.
Irfan's just logging in now with his mic. Hey.
And there we go.
Okay, so it's got instructions. Tells you everything what you need to do.
Yeah, just waiting for the test. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, they can hear me. Okay, so I've just done the pre-call test. So you have to do a pre-call test in the chat room once you're logged in. It's just a simple way of looking whether you've got, whether the system has access to your microphone and your camera. It's very straightforward. I've just done it in a couple of seconds. So I'm set to go now.
I'm getting me nervous now.
Nah, it's alright, it's alright, it's fine. It's like going to an exam.
Irfan is a tad bit nervous, aren't you?
You know when I'm nervous, when I look side to side and it's kind of like...
It's not bad. It's going to be alright, inshallah. Did we do the NHS one beforehand? We got the free NHS test, just for peace of mind's sake.
Yeah, we just brought it on holiday with us. We brought the NHS ones as well, and we did one last night just to kind of make sure 100% everything's fine and it was all good. So really it shouldn't be a problem now. But
yeah. Although we've been on holiday, we've been cautious. We make sure we wear a mask. If we went through a load of crowded places, we've just been sensible about it. And if we can go on a quiet street, we would do that.
Yeah.
Because the last thing we want to do is get stranded in a foreign country and not be able to get home. So.
I mean, there's worse places you could be stranded, but.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, can you see me?
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
I can hear you and see you loud and clear.
Very good. Okay, before we start, may I have please your name and phone number?
Yep, my name is Irfan Aziz and my phone number is...
Thank you very much. May I ask, why are you taking this test?
It is a pre-departure test to return back to the UK.
Okay. When is your flight?
Our flight is on Saturday the 5th at 12:25.
Okay, good. Alright, welcome. My name is I'll be guiding you through the appointment today. Can you please confirm you are in a quiet area,
Yes.
unlikely to be disturbed?
I am. I'm in a quiet area.
Okay. Remember, you need to stay within the view of the camera so that I can see you swabbing and performing the rest of the instructions.
Yeah, that's okay? You can see me, yeah?
Have you washed and sanitized your hands?
I have indeed.
Good. Have you blown your nose?
I have, yes.
Alright, good. May I see the box of the test you've got? Okay, good.
Yes, I haven't opened it yet.
Alright. Did you read the instructions we sent in an email?
Yeah, so I read through the instructions. Yeah, like it. So I've got one of these. I've got the swab, which isn't open. I have the cassette.
Good.
Here, it's not opened. And then I've got the, I think that's a little holder for the sample. Right, you can see they're not opened. Swab
Okay,
is
good.
not open, yeah.
Alright, let's start then. Please open up the cassette. Let's place it on a flat surface.
So do you need to keep a view of that, or shall I just put it on the side?
No, just put it on a flat surface. Now let's take the swab kit and open it up, please.
Yep. That's it there.
Good. Now, on your device on the upper right corner, you're gonna click on the image of yourself so you can make it bigger.
Oh, yep.
We're using it as a mirror.
Okay,
remember, you can imagine you got some glasses on, so you have to reach the area where you put the glasses. So you put the swab all the way in, and once you reach that area, correct?
Yep. Okay.
You are gonna rotate the swab inside 5 times.
Okay, so I don't need to do my throat first?
No, this is only for the nose.
Only for the nose, okay. And is it both sides or just one side?
Both.
Okay, so 5 seconds, 5 rotations each side, yeah?
Correct.
Okay, cool, so I'll start that.
Go ahead. Yes, good. Go with the other. Now, place into the tube, place the swab.
Okay, so I need to open it up.
Yep.
So take that off. And put it in there. Yep.
Okay, good. Now you're gonna rotate it inside for 30 seconds. I'm counting the time for you. Okay. Now, as you remove the swab from the tube, you're gonna try to squeeze it and remove as much liquid as possible.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Good.
Yeah.
You can discard the swab now.
Cool. I'll put that to the side, and then I need to close it, right?
Yeah. Yes, and let's flick up bottom a little bit. Very good.
Cool.
Now, on the cassette, into the small square you see, the one with the S.
Yep.
You're putting 4 drops.
4 drops, yeah?
Yes.
4, done.
Good. Now let's set the timer for the 15 minutes.
15 minutes, yeah? Okie dokie, start. So I've started the timer. And now
Good.
just wait for
And you're gonna, on the cassette, you're gonna write today's date, June 3rd of 21, and the time, 13:06.
13:06. Cool.
Cool. So now when the time passes, you
Yep.
take the picture, send it to the emails there with the subject, your name, the same information you put on the cassette, the date,
Yep.
the time, the test, and the initials LFD, Larry,
yeah.
Frank, David. And that's it. Then we send back, you send the email and we send back the certificate of the result in around 8 hours.
Perfect. Okay. That's
Okay?
seems straightforward.
That's it. Do you have any more questions?
No, I think that's pretty straightforward and everything's looking good.
All right. Okay.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Enjoy the
Take
rest
care.
of your day.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.
So,
That was really straightforward.
really straightforward. You've got your timer set up.
Yeah, so I've got 13 minutes and 21 seconds remaining.
Yeah. It's literally taking you 7 minutes then.
Yeah,
Hold on.
and you can see the test here already showing a negative result.
Brilliant. It looks like you're going home.
Yeah, so it looks like I'm going home, and so once the 20 minutes is up, but I think you have to do it for 20 minutes just to be sure.
Well, did you not say 15 minutes time?
Oh, sorry, 15 minutes. Sorry, I keep thinking it's 20, but it's 15 minutes timer countdown. Once the 15 minutes is up, you have 5 minutes to basically get your email set up. So what I would suggest is you now type out the email that you need to send back the result to. So I'm going to do that now. So the email is results@qred.com. Yeah. So once you send the email, you'll get a confirmation email back saying that they've received it, and that your test will be processed shortly. They'll also give you a link to where you can download your test certificate from. So it's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
So guys, we're going home.
We're going home.
So both our tests came back negative, and I've just sent the email.
Yes, they can see it's a negative. So both of our tests came back negative. The person on the call basically goes through that all with you, but it's worth reading through it. So just have your box ready, proof of ID and a pen, as well as a timer beforehand to go through. Make sure you log in 10 minutes before, and you can check whichever device you're using has access to your camera, mic and speaker.
It was straightforward compared to our 3-hour journey in Pakistan and 3-hour journey back, and traveling in the heat and trying to find a test center in a foreign country. This just made it so easy. The company QRed, I've got to say, very thumbs up.
Very good. And by the way, this video isn't sponsored by anyway. I just found it when we were traveling this time, and I think they're just a really good company for doing this.
Yeah.
There are going to be others out there, so just do a bit of a research if there are any cheaper ones or whatever out there, but this is probably the best way to do it. So
we are all scheduled for our flight on Saturday. Let's just hope that we make a safe journey back to the UK.
Right, so we hope you enjoyed this video and found it really informative. Please do let us know in the comment section what you thought of this, if it was helpful. It really helps us understand if we're making informative videos.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit that like button if you found this video useful, and it does really help the channel grow.
And press that bell icon so you're notified when we upload our next video.
So guys, we'll see you on the next one.